spaghetti time. We're making spaghetti today. I decided to do this because I have the ability of making spaghetti. Crazy, guys. Wow. So the first things that you need are a pan that is large. Number 2, smaller pan that is less large. Alright, so what you're gonna need to grab first is the spaghetti itself. That's important. So once you have the spaghetti, actually you don't need the spaghetti first. What you need first is to fill this with water. Fill it like halfway, like a little over halfway.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers?
So now that you have your pan of water, you will put it on the stove. We're using an all-new magical technology called Stove View. It is very cool. So what you're gonna want to do is put on your light for your stove. Then, all you're gonna have to do, right, is make this boil rapidly. So I put it on like the middle of medium to high. It's pretty good. So now that you've done that, it's time for the second part. The second most important part of spaghetti. Tomato sauce! So you take your tomato sauce, right, and you open up your tomato sauce. This is a lot of tomatoes. Use 2/3 of the sauce. For a family of 3. This is like barely any sauce. So now that you've done that, you're also going to want to go over to the stove. So once you go over to the stove, put it over the other heat. You want to put this one on like medium to low. Who actually needs to start cooking the sauce that's already cooked? Yeah, it's already cooked. You just got to keep it warm. Make sure you also grab a stirring thing, just in case it gets too hot. And now we wait for it to become a rapid boil. Wow, that was quick. It looks like we are at a rapid boil. Now once you've gotten to the rapid boil, you're going to take the most important part of the spaghetti. The spaghetti. So it's going to quickly cook, by the way, just so that you know. So I don't know if you guys are seeing this on a Wednesday or if it's just going to be a shorter version of normal Cooking with Collin, because normal Cooking with Collin is going to be a longer episode. If this was a real episode of Cooking with Collin, I would have made meatballs and I would have made this from scratch. That's a lie. I wouldn't make spaghetti from scratch.
The Amazon cloud-based voice service available on more than 100 million devices from Amazon and third-party device manufacturers.
How much more time?
You have 6 minutes and 10 seconds left on your 12 minutes timer.
6 minutes? I really like basil. I think that my next episode of Cooking with Collin is gonna be pancakes, because that's funner. Rambo just wanted to say, so yeah, and of course, Rocky had to add, we are finished with our spaghetti, so turn off all the stuff. Make sure you grab some of these oven mitts so that you don't burn your hands holding these handles. So once you grab your strainer, put it in here, bring over your hot pasta, dump it. That was fun. So now we've got our spaghetti. Just put it back in the pan at this point. And now, your spaghetti is ready to serve. Just come over here, and there you go. So Mom, you wanna help me demonstrate how to eat spaghetti? I forgot to put a little bit of oil in there. That's just like it can stick together. Don't forget to put some oil in there. Oh, you know what you didn't do? It's gluten-free. You're supposed to rinse it. This is the first fail of the Cooking with Collin episodes, and I'm very sad. Well, at least we didn't mess up the tomato sauce, knock on wood. I fed you the wrong information. You can just look in the, if you're actually following this for like a tutorial, because you somehow stumbled upon this video when you were trying to figure out how to cook your spaghetti, then I'll put everything in the description of the video. Normal pasta doesn't require a rinse, says my mother. This is what we get for being gluten-free. Wow. Now that's a meal if I've ever seen one. Alright, sorry for making you watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video that is out. I don't know what it will be, but it will be awesome. I'm a superhero!
Internet, I need your help. I have this song stuck in my head and I don't know what it is. It goes...